I can produce the soles anywhere in the world. I can produce the upper anywhere in the world. As long as the two components are assembled in Europe, I can put a label on it that says, Made in Europe. In fact, that's not a lie. But neither is it honest.
I wear HAIX shoes every single day.
My wife is already fed up with me wearing only these shoes.
I think I have 4 pairs of Black Eagles.
I've still got the old firefighter boots.
That one's really kicking it. My primary objective is a merger between design and functionality. Which aspect of the shoe can be revolutionized? Can I invent something to reduce its weight? Or how do I integrate the seams in a certain design? If something breaks, how can I fix it?
The repair service was highly important from day one because shoes have sadly become a throwaway product.
If I purchase a car and the tires are worn after a while, I don't even think about buying a new vehicle, right?
We should go back to appreciating our shoes and making them repairable. Equip them with replaceable soles.
It must be ensured that we can wear shoes longer than just 4 to 5 months, like all these cheap shoes. Everyone here, even our boss, has started on the very basis. Most of us, actually almost all of us, have started in the handicraft industry. We are all able to make handcrafted shoes. I think this is why we have a far deeper understanding of this work.
I make shoes in the 3rd generation. I also learned how to make shoes with my hands. We simply don't have fully automatic machinery that just needs to be fed with materials and drops finished products.
We want to pass this tradition and knowledge on to younger generations.
This means we offer professional training programs, which haven't been available in the worldwide shoe industry for a long time. Our objective is to shape the future. We will never produce low-quality footwear. We offer quality rather than quantity in Europe. This is what HAIX stands for, and nothing else.